Hi everyone, welcome to the week 7 assignments at a glance. My webcam isn't working, so I can't have myself as part of this video, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about the assignments this week. If you go into the grammar assignments, you will notice that there is a little video here which is on chapter 7 articles and determiners. I hope that that video will help you as you prepare to study this chapter. And going back to where are we? Going back, sorry, to the at a glance assignments. Our week 7 reading assignment in 4-point, I think you're going to find is so much easier to read this part 2 of nonverbal communication because it's on the basics of nonverbal communication, and you've just finished reading an article for your second writing test, basically, which is, the final draft is due this week. And it's a related article. So when we read in an area, when we read a second article, we have so much background that it becomes a lot easier for us. Okay, we are finishing the novel this week, sadly, but this is the end of the last chunk of reading and in the novel. And then we have a discussion here that's connected to 4-point. Our second part, communication, which again I said is on nonverbal communication, and your novel discussion, which is due next week. I'm sorry, not next week, due this week, but it was the 6th discussion. You have your vocabulary quiz for the last 2 units. Actually, it's going to be on the linguistics communication unit. And we have our 3rd reading quiz. And this reading quiz is going to be on pages 93 to 97, which are the, I'm sorry, I'm having trouble today. It's the second article that we're reading this week on nonverbal communication. Okay, the basics of nonverbal communication. So hopefully everybody's going to do very well on that. Okay, and then going back, we basically then have our open discussion, and that's it for the week. Okay, thank you.